Techno update. Subscribe now.
Honor 8 Pro Review. Design. What the Honor 8 Pro really has going for it is that it's super svelte for a 5.7-inch phone. In fact, at 6.97mm, it's thinner than the Honor 8 and an iPhone 7 Plus. The bezel along the edge of the display are kept to a minimum, leaving you with a phone that fits rather nicely in your hands. The Honor 8 Pro feels well constructed, too, and certainly fitting of its price tag. The Honor 8 Pro charges over USB Type-C, but there's no quick charging facility for its gargantuan 4000 mAh battery. Instead, a full charge takes 1 hour and 50 minutes, which felt about right. Next to the charging port you will find a 3.5mm headphone jack, which, despite the phone's thinness, hasn't been sacrificed. Display. The Honor 8 Pro has a 5.7-inch Quad HD, 2560 by 1440 resolution display, and it looks fantastic. Colors are super vibrant, and at 515 pixels per inch, the screen isn't left wanting for sharpness. The color temperature is adjustable, but I found it comfortable at its default settings. You're also able to activate a night comfort mode from the notification panel to reduce blue light, which should reduce eye fatigue, especially during those late-night browsing sessions. Performance. Impressively, the Honor 8 Pro has the same Kirin 960 chipset as the Huawei P10 Plus and Huawei Mate 9, which means it's no slouch. This is a chipset that will be able to go toe-to-toe with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 835, which is soon to be available in the Samsung Galaxy S8. It's paired with a generous 6GB of RAM, which is probably more RAM than anyone will ever need, however. The Honor 8 Pro comes with 64GB of storage, but there's also a microSD slot, which can be used to add a further 128GB. Software. Like the Huawei P10 and P10 Plus, the Honor 8 Pro runs Huawei's Android Skin Emotion UI. In this instance, it's MIUI 5.1, which is based upon Android 7.0. This is by far the best version of Emotion UI seen so far, and by that I mean it's the least intrusive. Camera. The dual-lens camera that's become synonymous with Huawei's recent phones makes an appearance in the Honor 8 Pro, but it's had a bit of a downgrade compared to the far pricier Huawei P10 Plus. Both the RGB and monochrome sensors on the Honor 8 Pro are 12 megapixels, the Huawei P10 Plus bolstered its monochrome offering with 20 megapixels. Performance from the front-facing 8-megapixel camera under low light wasn't anywhere near as impressive, however. Trying to take selfies in poor lighting can see the camera struggle to focus, resulting in some very noisy images. It also lacks the wide selfie option available on the Huawei P10 Plus, which is a shame. Battery life. The Honor 8 Pro has a huge 4000 mAh battery, which appears super generous when you consider other 5.7-inch phones, such as the LG G6, make do with cells as small as 3300 mAh.